Hollywood Kid George. An asymptote is the point on a graph where no matter how big the numbers you put into an equation, the line will never cross that barrier. To put it into a real world example, it's like saying if I'm 10 feet away from a door and every step I take gets me halfway closer, then by that logic, I will never open the door and go into the other room. But it's obvious when we put that in a real world scenario that it doesn't hold, that it only exists as a philosophical thought experiment. Because when we're inches, centimeters away from that door, we know we can just grab the handle and open it. We have the Roger Bannisters of the world to prove to us that the 4-minute mile is possible for everyone to beat. And now we have the people at Nike and Eliud Kipchoge who are 25 seconds away from beating the 2-hour marathon. And it's even more true for creative projects. Because we'll get to this point where maybe we're making a video every day or writing every day, and it feels like we're expending all of our energy and there's nothing more we can do. When we're inches, centimeters away from the asymptote, I'd argue that's when you need to take a step back and reanalyze. Because the same thinking that got you that close will not be the same thinking that gets you over the edge. If you're a wedding videographer and you're booked to the maximum amount you can be booked, hire a video editor. Hire people on your team. Create a team. Create a community. Divvy up the work so you have more free time to think about bigger problems. It requires you to bring on new people, new technologies, new ideas, new tools in order to overcome the asymptote. In order to grab the door by the handle and open it and walk through and see what's on the other side. It requires a new paradigm.